Kashmir Great Lakes Trek is one of the prettiest treks in India. The trek is usually completed in 7 to 8 days and is rated as difficult in terms of trail difficulty. Roopkund Trek is no doubt a high altitude glacial lake trek to do in Uttarakhand, Himalaya. If you are trekking in India, the Roopkund Trek is a must do. This lake is famous due to more than 500 skeletons of humans that are found at the edge of the lake. Friendship Peak is the most famous place for trekking in Himachal. The best time to do this trek is from May to June. The panoramic view of this place is a treat for your eyes you will never forget. Kedartal Trek is a popular trek which attracts adventurous souls to this place. Kedartal Trek begins and ends at the pilgrim town of Gangotri. Satopan Tal is a crystal clear green water triangular lake at an elevation of 4,600 meters above sea level. It is not just any lake, but a rare water body that only a few blessed ones on earth are able to visit. Bali Pass Trek. This trek gives the experience of walking on the splendid landscape. The beauty of Bali Pass Trek encourages trekkers during the storm season when the snow melts and the pass is easy to reach. Rupin Pass Trek. It is one of the most scenic treks of the Himalayas. When you think of a high altitude trek in summers, Rupin Pass Trek is not to miss. This trek in itself is breathtaking. Valley of Flowers Trek. Enjoy the floral fragrance of Valley of Flowers Trek. It is not just a trek. Along with the trek to the beautiful valley, it shows you an incredible journey of the Uttarakhand Himalaya. It is an easy to moderate Himalayan trek.